Wall panels versus tile. Which bathroom wall option is better for your renovation? If you're planning a bathroom renovation, there's a good chance you've come across two main options for your walls: traditional tile or wall panels. The two vary when it comes to installation, cost, and long-term maintenance. So which option is right for you? Let's break it down. First, what are we actually talking about? Wall panels are large sheets made from waterproof materials like PVC, acrylic, fiberglass, or laminate. Instead of installing dozens or hundreds of small pieces, panels cover large sections of wall in a single piece. Tile, on the other hand, is installed piece by piece. Materials like ceramic, porcelain, glass, or stone are individually placed and spaced with grout between each tile. The way they're installed changes a lot about the overall renovation. With wall panels, the price depends largely on the material you choose. For a standard shower surround, PVC panels can cost $150 to $600, while premium materials like stone veneer panels can cost $1,500 to $4,000 or more. Typical wall panel costs are as follows: PVC, $150 to $600, solid surface, $700 to $2,000, glass, $1,000 to $3,000, stone veneer, $1,500 to $4,000. Once you know the material costs, you need to factor in labor. Labor costs for professional installation typically run between $500 and $1,500, depending on your location and the complexity of the job. Tile works a little differently because the cost depends heavily on both the material and the labor required to install it. Tile installation labor is often 2 to 3 times more expensive per square foot than panels. That's why tile projects can scale up quickly. In a small bathroom, tiling alone can cost around $3,000 to $4,500 for basic materials and installation, depending on the layout and design complexity. So when you compare the two, panels often come in lower, largely because they install faster and require less labor, while tile requires additional time and cost to install each piece. Another important factor is maintenance. Wall panels have fewer places for moisture, mold, or mildew to build up. Cleaning is generally simple, just mild soap and water. Tile is extremely durable, but it comes with grout lines. Over time, grout may need cleaning, resealing, or occasional repairs to keep water from getting behind the tile. But tile tends to win when it comes to design flexibility. There are thousands of patterns, colors, and layouts available. If you're looking for a highly customized or high-end design, tile often gives you the most creative control. So how should homeowners decide? Start with your priorities. If you want faster installation, fewer grout lines, and easier maintenance, wall panels can be a great option, especially for secondary bathrooms or quicker renovations. If you want maximum design flexibility, tile might be worth the additional installation time and cost. Make sure to talk with your contractor early about installation timelines and waterproofing requirements to make the best decision. When you understand the trade-offs behind materials like wall panels and tile, you can move forward with a lot more clarity and a lot more confidence in the final result.